The strategy I'm going to share with you today provides the easiest, most straightforward way to start making a real living from trading, because it's not only very profitable, it's also so easy, repeatable, and statistically proven that it removes all the uncertainty that can lead to the psychological problems that derail so many traders. I've even turned the strategy into a fully automated bot that's free to try, but more on that later in the video. Success in trading comes from two parts. First, finding an edge in the market that you can execute with a solid win rate and profitability. In this video, I'll show you my super easy, proven strategy, and you'll have it mastered in the couple minutes that it takes to learn it. The next piece of trading success is executing that edge or strategy robotically, accepting the losses, thinking in probabilities, and making profit over time. Anyone who's been trading for some time knows that part is by far the hardest, but a lot of the difficulty traders face comes from just one thing: uncertainty. Uncertainty whether you really did execute that trade as the strategy intended, or after a few losses, uncertainty whether it really does work or if you should switch strategy. Especially with the bot version, you'll never second guess your entries and you'll have the data to know that it works over time. With the uncertainty issue solved, you'll find it much easier to execute robotically and achieve true long-term success. So now let's get into the strategy. So first of all, it runs on gold and Euro USD, but I prefer to run them on the futures version, so GC and 6E. So to show you how the trade works, I'll just go on replay mode and show you the last trade that I took this Friday. So here we are on the daily time frame, and all you need to do is mark out the previous day's high and low. Now coming down to the lower time frames, we're just going to pull our Fibonacci tool from the previous day's low to the high. And the way that I've set up my Fibonacci gives me these levels. So the negative 0.01 and 1.01 gives you 1% beyond the range. So if this was a 100-point range, this would give me 1 point beyond it. And then the 0.06 just gives me a stop loss for the trade, 6% back inside. So this is what the trades would look like targeting a 1.5 R. You can target anywhere from 1 to 3 R, and of course the lower RRs are going to have a higher win rate and less losing streaks, but less overall profit. For me, around a 1.3 to 1.7 R is a nice middle ground, and this week I was running mostly around 1.5. And so as you can see, price broke the low for a quick win to the downside. From here, we would just make sure the long orders are canceled because we're just taking one trade per day per pair. And as you can see, I posted this trade in my free Discord. Strategy and the bot overall did really well last week. It had 6 wins and 1 loss, so an 85.7% win rate on the week. And here is that gold trade with the executions shown on NinjaTrader. So hopefully that all made sense to you, and if you want more information on the strategy or trying out the Breakout bot for free, or even my other VWAP bot, go ahead and join the free Discord where you can chat with me and get more info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.